For sale in Point Lookout, brand new listing on Lynbrook Avenue, a favorite street in town, dead end street. Brick Cape, really nice condition, well kept, on 5,000 square foot lot, 50 by 100, and it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 houses to the beach, about 500 foot to the private Point Lookout residence beach. 50 by 100. Let's take a walk around the house first. It's in really nice shape. The windows, the roof. You got parking in the driveway for 3 cars. There's more parking in the basement or the garage. It's 2-car tandem garage. You got 50-foot backyard, probably about 30 foot. And goes all the way around the house. House is in excellent condition on Lynbrook Avenue, which is a very popular street. Goes all the way around. Nice patio area. Got a side entrance from the door from the kitchen. You got a deck up on top with views of Jones Inlet and the ocean. You have your 2-car tandem garage. You get easily 2 or 3 cars in here, plus in the driveway. There's your deck. Nice brick, all pointed off. Okay, let's go inside. You have the living room with wood floors with the fireplace. You have a TV room, den, or family room. We're watching soccer right now. Excellent condition. Fireplace. We're going to go into the kitchen. Kitchen was remodeled recently. New cabinets. Gas stove. Refrigerator, more cabinets over here. And we have the dining room. It could be another bedroom. It was actually a bedroom they made into a dining room. All wood floors. You got 1 full bathroom down here with a shower stall, a tub, tile floor. Then we have 2 bedrooms with plenty of closets. Wood floors. Another bedroom with wood floors. Closets. We'll go upstairs. Upstairs is like a master bedroom suite with a sitting area, TV room. Really big upstairs. With your deck, all wood floors again. Sitting area. Big bedroom in the back with wood floors. Really in excellent condition. Full bathroom with a shower. And a sleeping area. We'll go out on the deck. Nice sun deck with an ocean view. You see Jones Inlet. It's got a new roof. Okay, we'll go downstairs to the basement. The basement is high and dry. It's never had water. Through Irene, through Sandy. It's high ground up on Limerick Avenue. It's probably about 16 foot above. And we're in the basement. High and dry basement. Never had water. You could easily finish this off into a family room, a den, a TV room. It's got oil heat. Nice high beams. There's your heating system, hot water tank, washer, dryer, cabana for an outside shower. We're gonna look at the garage. Really big garage. You could easily get 2 big cars, 3 small cars, plus another car in the driveway. I would say you have 6 to 7 car parking here. Great big garage. Okay, it's for sale. 113 Limerick Avenue. 50 by 100 lot. 500 foot to the beach. Hug Real Estate exclusive. 516-431-8000. www.hugrealestate.com. Thank you for looking.